Good morning. Good morning. I was watching a video this morning by Opal May Today. Oops. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. Thank you so much for all that you do to support this channel. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you'll know every time I upload a video. Click that notification bell as well. As I was saying, I was watching a video by Opal May Today. She was doing a braid out. Now, the first thing she said was that she had shampooed her hair, so her hair was clean. I agree that a great long-lasting braid out starts with clean hair. Now, I did not shampoo my hair last night, and so this is an overnight braid out. I think she had worn her braids for quite a few days, and that will also attribute to a longer lasting braid out. She also said braid your braids tightly and all the way to the end. She had put some rubber bands on hers on the end and had taken them out. And I totally agree with all that she said. Now I'm going to see how long this braid out is going to last me. But I plan to shampoo my hair at probably the end of the week. And notice that I left some locks out. That always happens to me. I didn't realize it, or I would have gone back to add them into a braid, but I was not looking in the mirror as I braided my hair. Now, I used some mousse and I misted my hair with water, so it was not completely wet. It was slightly damp, but I told her that I would go ahead and take my braids down and I would mention her in this video. She is my YouTube little sis. And I love her dearly. I do. So you should go, if you haven't subscribed to her channel, go ahead and do so. She has some really inspiring videos. She does not mind sharing and opening up to you and giving some great advice. So I'm going to take these braids out quickly and see where we go from there. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. And now my 360. Stay tuned for my outfit of the day.